How to update cover photo in Facebook. So in order to update that, you can head over right here to your three lines and click right here onto your profile. Once you have clicked on your profile, you can see right here our cover photos. So you can head over and click on your cover photo and it will open up in here some options that you can choose from. So let's first view our profile cover, and this is what my cover looks like. If you want to update it, what you can do instead is you can click on that particular cover photo, then click on this choose profile picture right here, or just choose in here cover photo. You can upload a photo or select a photo on Facebook. So just head over and choose one. And then from in there, just choose the actual photo that you want as your cover photo. For example, right here, let's choose this. Then it will look like this. So from in there, click on this save option right here in order to save the new cover photo that you have chosen. From in there, this will upload right here. And as you can see, it's been changed. So that's how you update cover photo on Facebook. Hope we help.